I am resilient, choosing my identity. I am creating my reality. I am resilient, designing my destiny.